Hindi ko nakikita eh. Thumbs naman kayo guys dyan. Sino ba yung ano? Tatlo kayo dyan. Sino ba yan? Manuel Monteiro. With food cook Mira. Can you have some? Yeah, what do you want this one? Pansit? Manuel? You want pansit? This one, oh. I cook pansit. And fish. Fried fish. I know you are cook chef, right? Chef Manuel. Yeah, masarap. Masarap pansit. You want pansit? If you want, you come there later. You not go Manama? You not go Manama? You not, you don't have date? Later after my life, end life, I will give you. You thumbs up. Thumbs up. Pati makakomment itong isa ko. Ayan, makakomment. Ayan. Ganda Leilani, asan ba kayo ngayon? Anong ganap dyan? Nakabel ako kay Manuel, kaya ano, nakita niya yan ko. Siguro nakatutok siya sa kanyang cellphone. Saka ba nag-work? Ito yung nagtatanong, ito yung isang kinal fruit. Yung isa kulay maliit lang yun, gano'n, no? Kulay green. May 5 minutes na ba ako? Enjoy me a happy Valentine's. Thanks, Manuel. If you want, I will give you later. There. Where are you? Parang niya, kaya saan ba kayo nakatira? Saan kayo nakatira? Tapos Paranaque.